Hey there everyone, in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can use your iPad as extended display inside Macintosh. Well, for that the first prerequisite is both the devices need to be connected to the same network, and if you have router in place then simply connect both the devices to the Wi-Fi. Once both are in same network, you simply go here on the top and you see the mirror option which will show your iPad. Now all here we need to do is we need to simply click on it, and as soon as you click on it you will see option how you would like to use your iPad, and which here I can see I am able to use it as extended display. Now we can go here in display setting if you want to further customize it, like where you would like to place this you can rearrange it. For example, I would like to place my iPad in the end, I can do that. I can even keep it here on the top based on my requirement, which is completely fine based on my requirement. Here we have got further option to customize it. So the following option, for example, color profile, refresh rate and rotation can be easily managed from here. And that's how guys we can utilize our iPad as extended display in Macintosh. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tips and tricks, and I will get you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.